that. Stop. You know what? Maybe pregnant. I'm not sure. First cat of the day, small one. Gonna put him back. Have a good fish on. Move. Stop. Stop. Move. Alright, so I'm doing a little contest for myself. Using chicken liver today, catching catfish. I've caught 2 so far. I got 4 different things chicken liver. 2 have garlic salt mixed in them. I've been hearing a lot of people say mix garlic salt, garlic powder, different kind of stuff you can mix in with it. And I got 1 plain, just regular chicken liver. So far, garlic salt, got 2 fish. Plain, got 0. I had something messing with the plain earlier. There was just a little bit left on it, so it didn't. It just, I guess, pulled it off, or it could have been a turtle or something on it. So we'll see which one wins. So stay tuned. May have one on that one. I got 2 on. Oh boy. Better one, looks like. Move. Yeah, 2 on. Oh boy. Alright, 3 for this one. Over here. Let's see what's up with this one. So, yeah, small one. Oh, he's stuck too. Dang, there he is. 3. Look at that little thing, son. Little bait. Alright, plain chicken liver. catch bait. Move. Boy, about lost my rod. Where you going, bud? Move!